Good day everyone, I'm JB from Belmore Digital with my digital update for this week, Tuesday 30th September 2025. This week, ChatGPT's lining up ads. Facebook and TikTok still rule the newsfeed. Email needs a champion. CRO wins come from basics, not magic. And AI overviews look great, but don't deliver clicks. This week's update is all about cutting through hype and focusing on what actually works and what to watch next. You can read the full post at belmoredigital.com or watch the full-length video on my Belmore Digital YouTube channel. Please take a look. And don't forget, finally, to like, share, follow and subscribe to @Belmore Digital wherever you see this post. Cheers. Talk to you next week. ChatGPT from QA tool to ad platform in waiting. OpenAI is hiring engineers to build campaign management, attribution and integrations that look very much like the infrastructure of an ad platform. With hundreds of millions of weekly users, it was inevitable that monetization would head this way. Think of it as search advertising repackaged in a conversational frame. For digital marketers, this could be a major shift. Imagine bidding on keywords, not on keywords, but on questions and answers served to users in the flow of conversation. The opportunity is in being factual, concise and directly helpful. The risk is that we're still a way of seeing it in practice. So don't overcommit yet, but start preparing use cases and testing creative concepts. This is exactly where SEO and PPC services come together. Understanding intent and crafting messaging that earns attention. If you would like to explore how your brand should prepare for ChatGPT advertising, let's talk. Facebook and TikTok are still the newsstands of 2025. Pew's latest data confirms what most of us already know. Facebook and YouTube are still the biggest sources of news for adults, while TikTok and Instagram dominate for younger users. TikTok in particular is now where nearly half of under 30s get news. Despite official efforts to downplay news, users treat their feeds as their daily headlines. That has real implications. Your brand's message sits side by side with global events, viral stories and sometimes misinformation. This is not a place to be sloppy. Credibility, clarity and fast responses matter more than ever. If your content can't stand up in a newsfeed environment, it is vulnerable to being ignored or even distrusted. Managing that balance is at the heart of social media management. If you want to ensure your brand is present, credible and safe in the news-driven feeds, get in touch. Who is looking out for your email subscribers? It's easy to get caught up in campaign deadlines and forget the most important stakeholder, the subscriber. Without someone explicitly protecting relevance, cadence and consent, performance drifts downwards. Oversending and under-segmenting are still the biggest killers of email effectiveness. Some smart marketers will treat email as a relationship and not just a channel. That means auditing sends, building engagement-based cohorts and applying a simple why this, why now test before every campaign. Subscriber trust is now the scarce resource. It will dictate whether your email lands in the inbox or the spam folder. That's why email and CRM services focus on creating programs that protect subscribers and grow revenue. If you're unsure whether your email program is respecting subscribers while driving results, let's review it together. CRO isn't magic, it is fixing the basics. Crazy Egg's checklist is refreshingly simple. Compress your images, kill unnecessary scripts, simplify layouts and track what people actually do on your pages. These aren't glamorous fixes, but they work. Most conversion lifts come from removing friction, not reinventing the wheel. Too many sites chase a redesign where the real problem is bloat. Every millisecond of load time, every pointless field, every dead link chips away at your conversion rate. Work systematically, fix one friction point a week, measure and keep tracking small gains. It is not sexy, but it is how compound improvements happen. Conversion wins like this, these are what our conversions and CRO services are built on. If you are investing in traffic but conversions are stalling, it is time we talked. AI overviews look great. Clicks less. Search engine land study across thousands of queries show what many suspected. AI overviews look impressive, but they don't drive much traffic. Being cited is like ranking halfway down page 1. A nice credibility boost, but not really a major traffic source. The smart play is to treat AI overview visibility as a branding channel. You want your content structured so it can be pulled in, but you don't want to sell the dream internally that it's a traffic driver. Focus on building concise answer capsules for FAQ style queries while still competing hard for those top blue links that actually get the clicks. This aligns with our SEO service, where the focus is on ranking where it counts, while still making sure clients are present in emerging features like AI overviews. If you want us to set realistic KPIs and stay competitive in SERPs, let's chat. And that's a wrap. That's it for this week. ChatGPT is gearing up to sell ads. TikTok is shaping how under 30s consume news. Your email list needs a protector. CRO wins come from basic fixes. And Google's AI overviews look good but don't drive clicks. The through line, focus on the fundamentals. Plan for what's coming and don't chase shiny objects. If any of these strike a chord for your business, this is exactly where Belmore Digital helps. Let's talk. Give me an email, jb@belmoredigital.com. Give me a phone number. Give me a call rather, +61 1300 658 335, or use any of the contact details on the outro slides that follow now. Thanks very much. Cheers.